Welcome back. Amid the ongoing face-off between the MMRDA and French engineering firm Systra, the Mumbai Metro 7A project, which was set to enhance connectivity to the airport, has hit a major roadblock. The metro project, which was intended to link Gundavli to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, has been put on hold due to height regulations set by the Airport Authority of India. Now, the project is now stalled due to an alleged breach of height regulations in the air funnel zone, leading to a dispute between the two parties. The Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority has now approached the AAI with a revised clearance request after discovering that the general consultant had violated the airport authority's approval regarding the air funnel zone. To understand the situation on the ground, our team has visited the site. Take a look at this report conducted by my colleague Shweta.
Dispute between the MMRDA and Systra India, the major Mumbai Metro construction line, that is 7A, that connects Gundavli to Mumbai International Airport, has completely stuck in limbo. The construction has been halted. In fact, my video journalist Chandan is showing you the visuals right from the ground where we are reporting, and this is a part of Mumbai International Airport. Now, as per the MMRDA, it states that the metro line 7A is the kind of design that exceeds the height restriction that has been set by the Airport Authority of India, and the major construction site has been neglected, or an oversight that has been done by the Systra MVA. Now, the breach is attributed to an oversight by the general consultant, that is Systra MVA, and that is responsible for ensuring compliance with the aviation safety norms during the project design as per MMRDA. Now, as we also see that the air funnel zone, in fact, the designated flight path for aircraft, was compromised by the Metro 7 Line A construction, potentially endangering the aviation safety due to encroachment. Now, what is remaining is most important to understand that MMRDA's initial application for Airport Authority of India clearance in November 2023 faced delays, and with the approval in January 2024, imposing a height restriction of 2.9 meters lower than the project design, that has caused significant project disruptions. Now, with a total cost of 812 crores, the project is set to be completed in December 2026. But here what comes to the fore is the continuing delay plus the price escalation, and between this, the DPR that was initially offered by Systra India, it states that there are certain breaches of safety regulations of Airport Authority of India that is leading to more delays in an important construction of Metro Line 7A. We are reporting from the Airport Colony station of Metro Line 7A, and my video journalist is focusing on few important elements. Now, this is the construction underway, and this particular patch is the entire area of concern. As we just pan our camera above, this is the elevated corridor of Metro Line 7A, which is adjacent to Western Express Highway. Now, what happens? Airport Authority of India has very categorically mentioned that the DPR, that is the detailed project report that has been submitted for this particular project, is exceeding the height limit. So here is the elevated corridor, and once the metro runs over this, the OHE of the metro train would be a great obstruction when it comes to the safety of the air funnel zone, and this is the entire problem rises. And this particular patch where the construction has been halted, this is the reason why there is no construction taking place, because as the metro comes, the OHE would be obstructing into the height limit. And remember, when it comes to the Airport Authority of India, when it comes to the height, it states that the DPR is showing the height, which is near about 2.3 meters, or precisely around 9 feet higher than the permissible height limit. And in this very contention, we have seen how the construction is at halt, and now public of Mumbai are waiting for this particular project to get over as soon as possible.